Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I'm making crispy and flavorful potato wedges. Perfectly golden outside, soft inside, and coated with delicious spices and garlic butter. This easy starter recipe is perfect for parties, evening snacks, or movie nights. Let's start the recipe. Take some potatoes. Peel them and cut into long, thick wedge shapes. Potato wedges are one of the most popular starter snacks worldwide. Wedges are thicker than fries, making them softer inside. Now boil water in a pan, add half teaspoon salt. Add the potato wedges and cook until they are about 80% done. Drain and keep aside. Do not overboil the potatoes. Dry the wedges slightly before coating. Now pour in a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons flour, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix well. Kashmiri chili powder adds beautiful color without too much heat. Add half teaspoon chili powder. You can adjust spice according to your taste. 1 tablespoon water. Mix well to coat the potatoes. Now fry the wedges in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for crispy texture. In another pan, add 1 tablespoon butter, 3 to 4 cloves garlic. Saute for about 30 seconds until aromatic. Garlic butter gives restaurant-style flavor. Add the fried potato wedges. Sprinkle chili flakes, chaat masala, and fresh coriander leaves. Add garlic at the end for fresh flavor. Toss gently and serve hot. Potatoes provide energy and fullness. Homemade starters are fresher and cleaner. Garlic contains natural antioxidants. Your crispy potato wedges are ready. Serve hot with your favorite dip and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy homemade recipes.